What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty, bringing you another home tour video. Very windy day up here in Northwest Cape Coral. For today's home tour, I'm going to take you guys through DR Horton's Madison model. The Madison is 2020 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and this particular model has a 3-car garage. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, put some music on for your listening pleasure, and let you take the tour. I'll check back in with you when the tour is complete. Just kidding, guys, not putting some music on. I'm going to go ahead and narrate this one for you. Remember, the Madison model is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, with a 3-car garage on this particular model. And as you can see, we've got some punch out that needs to be done here for this model, but it will give you a feel, at least, what the Madison looks like. Going into bedroom number 1, they've got some paint needing to be done, fix some trim, it looks like here. So that's bedroom number 1, pretty standard. And here we are, bathroom number 1. This is a full bath. That's me, in case you don't remember, or you skipped the intro. Bedroom number 2 here, fairly decent size. This is a 2020 square foot property. I don't show many Madisons on the channel. This is like this first time I've ever toured one for you guys. Inside laundry here. And we have a suite style setup by the look of it. So we have a bedroom with its own bathroom. So perfect for your teenager that doesn't wish to come out and see everyone. They hang out in their room and they only come out for food, or if the power goes out or the internet goes out, to complain. That's my daughter right now. I have a teenager. It is quite fun. I encourage everyone to enjoy that. Here we have the open kitchen with the large walk-in pantry. Plenty of room for all of your healthy items or your chips and snacks. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite snack? You like Cheez-Its, potato chips, pretzels, popcorn? Personally, I'm a pretzel guy. I do like chips too. Lately, I've been eating too many of the kettle corn, or not kettle corn, the kettle barbecue chips. Those are phenomenal. Not going to name drop the brand because I'm not sponsored. But back to the home tour. As you can see, open living area, nice tile, very good for entertaining. We have a little lanai here with room for a pool. And here we're coming into the primary suite. Decent amount of natural light. And the primary bath. Got the closet here, decent size. We've got dual sinks for you and your partner. A walk-in shower here. And another closet with the water closet here. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, lots of touch-ups here. You can see they came back in to do some texture, and they've got to fill these nail holes and caulk and do some touch-up paint. For the most part, the model is up and running. It gives you an idea of what a Madison looks like instead of just taking you in when the walls are up with drywall and nothing else in it. Gives you a little bit more feel for the property itself. Let me go ahead and flip that camera around and say goodbye. Welcome back, everyone. Or I don't know if the camera picked that up. We'll do it again. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for checking out today's home tour video. Didn't mean to fake you out by not putting any music on and doing the walk and talk. Got to mix it up a little bit, keep you guys on your toes. If you could, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. On a quest to get 1,000 subscribers. I'm about 500 short, so if you and your 500 friends could go ahead and subscribe, that'd make me hit 1,000. I'm told that my algorithm will be helped quite a bit once I hit 1,000. So let's get there. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and more importantly, if you have any questions about DR Horton's Madison model, DR Horton in general, new construction, anything real estate related here in Southwest Florida, give me a call or shoot me a text. I'll put my number somewhere up here, down here, and then you can always find it in the description box below. I am Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty, running out of breath, so I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you for checking out today's video, and I will see you on the next one.